I kind of want to go to the other cove that's across from you, but then they. Oh shit! I got one. Hope I don't lose it. All right, Glenny, you got one. We're on the board.
Hey, that's not fair. I was trying to catch him all night last night.
Oh, was he on a bed? I figured. I was like. Oh yeah. Come on. Give me something. Give me something. Oh, I got one. I got one. And it's little. I don't even think you'll measure. Turn around and cast correctly in this. Okay. Well, something wrong with the check. Nada. False alarm. Come on, seawalls. Screw it. I mean, what do I got to lose? I'm not in the tournament right now, so I'm just gonna go back here and just take a peek, you know? Probably not gonna bite anything.